Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes we are discussing the fractions and decimal chapter. In that, what is fractions, and then types of fractions, and then the comparison of fraction, equivalent fractions. These concepts we have to discuss in the last classes. See students, today we are going to discuss the exercise 2.1 of this chapter. See, first main, solve 2 minus 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 plus of 2 by 7 and 4, 9 by 11 minus of 4 by 11, 15, and 7 by 10 plus of 2 by 5 plus of 3 by 2. The next question, 8 1 by 2 minus of 3, 5 by 8 are there. So some questions are there. Second question I will do it, and then 4th, 5th, 6th I will do it. So these two questions have to solve in your form. So I will start that first question. So what we have to do? Subtraction. First question you have to subtract. Minus means subtract, plus means additions. So if you know that, do you know that how to add and how to subtract the fractions? So we have to discuss on some of the examples before going to the exercise. See, case 1, same denominator. So for the addition and subtraction, both addition and subtraction. So I will show the procedure of how to addition and how to subtractions. So both addition and subtractions are same procedure. So case 1, same denominator. So when same denominator, how to add the fractions or subtract. For example, 5 by 11 plus 3 by 11 are there. See, in the denominator are same. Is it right? So when the denominator are same, so the LCM it becomes same. So 11 have to write as it is only. That add the numerator. When the denominator are same, add the numerator. Add or subtract the numerator. But here plus is there, we have to add it. 5 plus 3. What will become? 8 by 11. So like that, 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8, 2 by 8 is there. See, 3 by 8 minus 2 by 8 is there. So this one, so the denominator are same, have to write as it is only. So have to subtract the numerator. Here minus is there, that's why I have to subtract the numerator. 3 minus of 2 will become what? 1 by 8. 3 minus of 2 become 8 by 8. So 1 by 8. So like this you have to subtract it. So 2 or more than fractions if it is coming. So same 3 by 10 plus of 1 by 10 plus of 5 by 10 is there. So there are 3 fractions are there. So denominator are same, have to write as it is only. So add the numerator, all numerator you should add it. So 3 plus 1 plus 5. 3 plus 1 plus 5. What will become? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 become 9. 9 by 11. So 9 by 10. So this is the sum of the 3 by 10, 1 by 10 and 5 by 10. So like this, if it is come minus, what will become minus? If it is come minus, here plus is there. This is 2. Okay, 2 by 10. See, 3 by 10 plus 1 by 10 is there. So first we have to, numerator are same, have to write, denominator are same, have to write as it is only. So 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, here minus is there, we have to put minus. What is there here? Next number 2. 3 plus 1 minus of 2. See, first you have to add it. 3 plus 1 how much? 4 minus 2, 4 upon 10. 4 minus 2 will become what? 2 by 10. So 2 ones are 2 5s are simplification. So 1 by 5 is the answer. Do you understand? So like this, addition and subtraction happen. Case 2. In case 2, denominator are different. Denominator are different. When denominator are different, how you are solving the, or how to add the or subtract the fractions. So take one of the example. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 10 is there. 3 by 5 and 1 by 10. Here denominator are different. So when the denominator are different, we have to take out the LCM. LCM of 5 and 10. So first 5 and 10 have to take out the LCM. Do you know that how to find out the LCM? Yes, by the division method have to take it. 5 and 10. So have to find the LCM. These two numbers have to divide it from 5. 5 ones are, 5 2s are. Therefore, next 2 1 as it is, 2 1s are. Therefore, 5 into 2 it will become what? 10. This is the LCM. Is it right? 10 is the LCM. This LCM we have to apply to that numerator. See, into 10, this numerator have no that LCM. That LCM have to multiply by 10. Both multiply have to numerator. So next step. So first this LCM we have to write in the denominator, and then this denominator and the numerator have to divide it. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Next 3 and 2 have to multiply. 3 into 2 6 plus as it is right on. 10 ones are get cancelled. So this 1 into 1 into 1 how much? 1. So 6 plus 1 into 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is the answer. Can you understand? Suppose if it is in the minus. If it is in minus, same procedure. So we have to subtract it. 6 minus 1 it becomes 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. Like this. Do you understood? 5 ones are 5 twos are. 1 by 2 how it is come? 5 ones are 5 twos are. Can you understand? Same. Denominator are different. We have to take out the LCM. Then the LCM is have to apply to the numerator and we have to get the solution. Okay. When the denominator are very easy, add or subtract the numerator. So these two procedures have to remember it, have to practice in your room. So let us start the exercise 2.1. So what is the question number 1? 2 minus 3 by 5. See, first one. 2 minus 3 by 5. Is it right now? 2 minus of 3 by 5. Yes. See students, here only number is there. Denominator nothing is there means 1 is there. In the denominator nothing is there means 1 is there. So we have to take out the LCM of 1 and 5 because numerator denominator are different. How it is that the numbers 1 and 5 are the co-prime number. Can you understand the co-prime number? So co-prime number means, for example, 3 and 5 is there. So these two numbers, there is no any common factor. No common factor. So that type of numbers are called as what? Co-prime numbers. Here 1 and 5, these two numbers is never divisible by any number. It never divisible by any same number except 1. So that type of number are called as co-prime. It is okay. So these LCM how much? 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 is LCM is 1 into 5 it becomes 5. Okay, this LCM have to apply here. Into 5 into 5. 1 into divided by 5. 5 on 1 5 is a 5. 5 5 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 ones are. 5 2 is a what? 10 minus of 1 into 3. 3 whole upon. What is the LCM here? 5. Next 10 minus of 3 is equal to 7. 7 by 5. So this is the solutions of 2 minus of 3 by 5. Understood? So I will go to the next question number 3. Second like that is there. So you have to solve it. So very simple. See students, I will show another one method. When the two numbers are co-prime numbers, very easy. This denominator you have to multiply by the first numerator. The first denominator have to multiply the second number. Second numerator. 2 into 5 how much? 10. 1 into 3 how much? 2. That's 10 minus of 3 is equal to 7. So 7 by 5. Okay, when these two numbers are co-prime number, for suppose 1 by 8 plus or minus 2 by 4 is there. So 4 ones are 8 will not do like that. Okay, it is wrong. See, next 7 by 5 is the solution. Next I will go to the question number 3. Second you have to solve in your home. Okay. Question number 3. What is the question number 3? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Okay. 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 is are the prime number. The prime number is the LCM. What are the prime number? The product of these numbers it become LCM. Therefore 5 into 7. How much? 35. 5 7 is 35. Because these two are numbers are prime number. The product of the prime number is becoming LCM. That's why we multiply that. So now this LCM you have to apply here. So first you have to write in the denominator. Now you have to apply the numerator. 35 into 35. So 5 is divided by 5 ones are 5, 7s are 7 ones are 7, 5s are. Next 7 into 3 you have to multiply that. 7 3s are 21 plus 2 5s are 10. Next step 21 and 10 you have to add it. 31 by 35. So this is the solution. Understood? So like this, question number 4 is there. As it is in the question number 3, can you do it in your home? 11 and 15, you have to take out the LCM. 11 and 15 are the co-prime numbers. That's why you have to, the product of the numbers are the LCM. 11 into 55, you have to multiply that, then you can get the LCM. Then you have to apply the LCM, you have to find it. Next, I will go to the question number 5. See, 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Okay, here 10, 5, 2 are the denominator. We have to take out the LCM of the denominator because LCM are different. That's why 10, 5 and 2. So these two numbers, these three numbers, are they divisible by 2 any number? Yes, this is divisible by 2. Both two numbers are divisible by 2. That's why 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Next, these number 5 is going from 5, 5 1s are 1 as it is. Therefore, 2 into 5 it becomes 10. So this is the LCM. Okay. Now we have to apply the LCM. First, before going to apply the LCM, we have to write the denominator. The next step, you have to multiply by the numerator by 10. That means LCM. Now we have to cancel it. 10 ones are 10 ones are, 5 ones are 5 2s are, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Now we have to multiply that. 1 into 7, 7 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 into 3, 15. Now we add it. 7 plus 4, 11 or 15 plus 4, 19. Any type you have to add it. So 7 for 4, 11. 11 plus 15, 26 by 10. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 7, 26. So 26 by 10. So this number we have to simplify it. This numerator and the denominator divided by the same number. So this number is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 3s are 2, 5s are 10. Therefore 13 by 5 is the answer. Do you understood? So like this we have to solve it. The next question number 6 is there. 6th question also is there like this only in your textbook. You have to solve in your home. I will go to the question number 7. See, what is the question number 7? 8 1 by 2 minus of 3 5 by 8. Now it is in the mixed fraction. Correct? It is in the mixed fraction. That's why this number we have to convert into the improper. Do you know that how to convert to the improper to mixed, mixed to improper? We have to learn till the 6th standard. Is it right? So I will show once again. See, this is the whole number. 1 by 2 is the proper fraction. This is the mixed fractions. So this whole number and the denominator we should multiply and we should add. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 1 17 by 2. Next minus. Again this is also minus into plus. 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 5 29 by 8. Understood? 17 minus of 17 by 2 minus of 29 by 8. Can you understood how to convert to the improper fractions? I will show another second. See, these two numbers have to multiply that denominator and the whole number and then add to the numerator. 8 to the 16 plus 1 17 by 2 minus of 8 to 3 is a 50. 24 plus of 5 29 by 8. Now the denominator different. We have to take out the LCM. 2 and 8. So 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then 1 1s are. Therefore 2 into 2 it is equal to 8. This is the LCM. Now we have to apply the LCM. Into 8 into 8. Therefore the whole for 8 we have to write the denominator for LCM. So 2 1s are 2 4s are. 8 1s are 8 1s are, it cancel. 17 into 4, 17 4s are 68 minus 29 into 1 29. Now it is equal to 68 minus of 29. How much? 18 minus of 9 it become 9. Here 5 minus of 2 is become 3. 39 upon 8. This is the answer. This number you have to convert into the mixed. So how you are converting to the mixed? Very simple. See, 8 you have to divide from 8. 8 how many is 39? 8 4 is 32. 8 4 is 32. So here this number you have to multiply 32. What is the remaining? 39 minus of 32. This becomes 7. 4 7 by 8. So this is the mixed fraction. Can you understood? So I will show the next in the next classes. I will show the how to convert improper to mixed to improper. I will show in the next classes. Okay, students. So the 8 questions is there. So like this only is there. We have to solve in the problem. Okay. The first one only finished. So I will come to the question number 2nd. What is the question number 2nd? Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Sorry, this is not ascending order. Okay. What is mean about ascending order? Yes, small to big. So I showed in the last classes how to comparison of fractions. Case 1, case 2, case 3. In case 1, denominator are same. In the case 2, numerator are same. In case 3, denominator are different. So this questions, which case is which according to which case this question? So denominator are different. So it is in the case 3. So that's why 2 by 9 and 2 by 3 and then 8 by 21. In this, so first we have to take out the these numbers. We have to take out the LCM. So that's why 9, 3 and 21. We have to take out the LCM. So what is the LCM? This number is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. And then 3 1s are 1 as it is right now, 7 as it is right now. Then 7 1s are 1 1 as it is, 7 1s are 7. So now the LCM is what? 3 into 3 into 7. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. This LCM you have to apply here. See, first one 2 by 9 is there into 63 by 63. So next one 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 63 by 63. Next 8 by 21 is there into 63 by 63. Okay. So I will show already in the last classes. We have to observe in the last classes. Okay. So 9, this number, this denominator, don't touch it. Okay. So this number, denominator have to divide from the 63. 9 1s are 9, 7s are. Next 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Next 21 1s are 21 3s are. Now 2 into 7, 14. 2 7s are 14 by 63 into 1, 63. 21 into 2, 42. 42 by 63. 8 3s are 24. 24 by 63. Yes. The denominator are same. Depend upon the numerator. Which numerator is smaller, that fraction is the smaller. So which numerator is smaller? 14. Therefore 14 by 63. First you have to write it. Afterwards 24. So 24 by 63 is less than 42 by 63. Now we have to write the original fraction. 14 by 63, what is the original fraction? 2 by 9 is less than 24 by 63. What is the original fraction? 8 by 21 is less than 42 by 63. Original fraction 2 by 3. So like this we have to write the in an ascending order. Can you understand, students? When the denominator are different, we have to take out the LCM and then you have to make the same denominators. Then you have to write the ascending or descending order. Okay. So the second question is that this is homework for you. Like this only we have to solve in the second question. So I will go to the question number 3. In a magic square, read question number 3. It's very easy is there. So what is that question? The sum of the, in a magic square, this is one of the magic square. So what is the magic square? The sum of the rows and the sum of the columns. Sum of the rows and sum of the columns, it becomes same. When the sum of the rows and sum of columns are same, then it becomes magic square. Otherwise, it is not a magic square. So let us check it. Is it a magic square or not? See. Okay. First one, 4 by 11, 9 by 11, 4 by 11, 9 by 11, 2 by 11. Is it right? Yes. Next 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 3 by 11, 5 by 11 and then 7 by 11. Afterwards 8 by 11, 8 by 11 and 1 by 11 and 6 by 11. Okay, 8 by 11, 1 by 11 and 6 by 11. Yes. See friends, this column, this is the rows and this is the column. So when you are adding the rows, the result will be remain same, and if you are adding column wise, thus result will become same. When the both results are same, then easily we have to say it as a this is a magic square. Let us check it. First, the denominator are same. First we have to add it by the addition. So denominator is same, you have to write the denominator 11 only. So add the numerator 4 plus 9 or 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 4 how much? 15 by 4. Next like this, second rows 11 as it is right down. Afterwards 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15 by 11. Again 11 by 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 6, 15 by 11. All rows, the sum of the all rows are become same. Next, the sum of the columns also become same. So let us start it. 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 8 by 11. So this 11 is as it is written in the denominator. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 3, 15 by 11. So like this. 9 by 11, 5 by 11, 1 by 11. So 11 you have to write it as it is. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 15 by 11. So in the third column, 2, 7, 6, 15, 15 by 11. Check it, 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 15 by 11. So all columns also remain same result, rows also same result. One is there, the diagonal. So diagonals means this is the diagonal and this is one of the diagonal. So the diagonals is also remain same. Let us start it. 11, 11, 11. The denominator is 11. So numerator 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 by 11. So first diagonals is also remain same. So second diagonals, so 11 upon, 11, you have to write it the 11. So next 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15 by 11. So diagonal is also same, rows also same, and then columns wise is also same result. Therefore, this is what? This is a magic square. This is a magic square. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಅದರ rows wise or diagonals or column wise, any one result it not remain same, therefore it is not a magic square. Can you understand? Yes. I will go to the question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper. Okay, one rectangular sheet is there. So this is the rectangular sheet. This rectangular sheet of a length, long is length, 12 1 by 2 centimeter. This is length, 12 1 by 2 centimeter. This is length, long. And wide means breadth. How much? 10 2 by 3. This is breadth. 10 2 by 3 centimeter is breadth. What is we have to find out? Find the perimeter. Can you do you know that what is the perimeter of rectangle? You don't know. I will show you. See, perimeter. What is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means sum of the length of all sides. Can you understand? So this is length. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Yes. So this is the 12 1 by 2. This is also 12 1 by 2. So breadth how much is there? This length is how much? 10 2 by 3. So this is also 10 2 by 3. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So that's why. So this length is 12 by 1 by 2. This is also 12 1 by 2. This is 10 2 by 3. This is also 10 2 by 3 centimeter. So what we have to find out? Perimeter of rectangular sheet. Perimeter of rectangular sheet. Rectangular sheet. It is equal to, first, how many lengths are there? 2 lengths are there. 12 into 1 by 2 plus 12 into 1 by 2. 12 1 by 2 plus 12 1 by 2. We have to write 2 times. The sum of the length of the all sides, that is called as perimeter. That's why I will add all the 4 sides. That's why first one is 12 1 by 2, second one is 12 1 by 2. Next, in remaining 2 sides, what is that? 2 10 2 by 3 plus again 10 2 by 3. 2 times you have to write it. 10 2 by 3, 10 2 by 3. Now we have to add it. So 12 to the 24 plus 25 by 2 plus this is also 25 by 2. This is we have to convert into the improper fractions. Next plus 10 3 is 30, 30 plus 2, 35 by sorry, 32 by 3. 10 3 is 30 plus 2, 32 by 3. This is also 32 by 3. Now, so this is the denominator are same. This denominator are same. We have to add the numerator. Of these two numerator, I have to add it. 25 plus 25, it becomes 50. Plus, next 32 plus 32. The denominator are same. 3 as it is written. So 32 plus 32, it becomes 64. Afterwards, the denominator are different. We have to take out the LCM. LCM is 6 because of the two numbers are prime number. Therefore, the product is the LCM. This is called as LCM. 6 is the LCM. This we have to apply here. Into 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are, and then 3 into 50, 150 plus 2 into 4 8, 2 6 are 12, 128. Now we should add it 150 and 128. How much become? 0 plus 8, 8, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 278 upon 6. We have to convert into the mixed fractions. How much? 6 4s are 24. Remaining how much? 3. 6 4s are 24. Here 27 is there. This multiplied by 3, it becomes 24. So 27 minus 23, 24, it becomes 3. So that 3 have to write in the next number. So 3 and 8, how much become? 38 it become. Therefore 6 6 are 36. Here 38. This 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Here 38, remaining how much? 2. That remaining you have to write in the numerator. So what is the 6? That right. So these 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore 46 into 1 by 3 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Can you understand, students? So like this, if you are giving the finding the perimeter means this we have to sum of the all sides of the figure. Then we can get the perimeter of the given figure. Okay. So these questions we have to write it in our notes. So in the remaining questions we have to discuss in the next class, students. Thank you.